Your AI agents make decisions all day, and most of them can't explain a single one after the fact. Semantica fixes that, an open-source infrastructure layer that turns every inference into a permanent, queryable node in a knowledge graph. It just optimized node search on a 118,000 node production graph from 24 milliseconds down to 4 microseconds, 6,000x faster, and it's climbing toward 4,000 GitHub stars. Here's why graph memory might be the piece your agent stack is missing. Semantica calls itself graph-native infrastructure for context and accountable AI systems. It sits underneath your LLM and your vector store, and instead of just embedding text and hoping similarity search finds the right chunk, it builds a real knowledge graph. Entities, relationships, events, and decisions, each with confidence scores and provenance attached. The pitch is aimed squarely at teams in finance, healthcare, legal, and government. Places where, "Why did your system decide that?" is a question you're legally required to answer. And the wildest part, it can hand a regulator a machine-readable audit file of everything your AI concluded and why. I'll show you exactly what that looks like before we're done. The project lives under the Semantica AG organization, a young, focused org with 3 public repos, and the biosemantic infrastructure for context, decision systems, and AI. Young doesn't mean idle. The main repo has over 2,200 commits. Version 0.610 just landed with Databricks Unity catalog support and named graph RDF backends, and it was pushed to again this morning. The MIT license and the fully self-hostable design are deliberate. This is infrastructure positioning, not a SaaS funnel, and 405 forks suggest plenty of teams are already building on it. The problem statement is one most agent builders will recognize. Retrieval-augmented generation stores embeddings, numerical fingerprints of text. Embeddings capture similarity, not meaning. They can't tell you which facts contradict each other, when a fact stopped being true, or why an agent chose option A over option B last Tuesday. Semantica's answer is to make meaning itself the storage format. Extract structured knowledge from every source, detect conflicts before they enter the graph, timestamp every fact twice, when it was true and when you learned it, and record every decision as data you can query later. The repo makes the scope obvious. The processing pipeline runs ingest, parse, normalize, split, semantic extraction, conflict detection, and deduplication before anything touches the graph. Storage is polyglot on both sides of the graph world, Neo4j, FallCoreDB, Apache Age, and AWS Neptune for property graphs, or BlazeGraph, Gina, RDF4j, and embedded Oxygraph for RDF triples. Vector search plugs into Face, Qdrant, Weaviate, Milvus, Pinecone, or plain SQL Lite. And for the agent crowd, there's a full MCP server, so Claude Desktop or VS Code can query the graph directly, plus first-class shared context for Agno multi-agent teams. 6 stages do the heavy lifting. Ingestion pulls from files, databases, APIs, streams, Databricks, and Snowflake. Extraction runs named entity recognition, relation extraction, and event detection, each with tunable confidence thresholds. Conflict detection compares incoming facts against the graph and flags contradictions for review. The knowledge graph merges entities and tracks time. Deterministic reasoning, forward chaining, REIT networks, Datalog, SparkQL, derives new facts without asking an LLM to guess. And the provenance layer records where every single fact came from, down to the source file and the extractor that produced it. Here's the feature that separates Semantica from every GraphRag library. Decisions are first-class citizens. You record a decision with its category, scenario, reasoning, outcome, and confidence, and it becomes a permanent node. Then the questions that usually die in a Slack thread become one-liners. Trace the full causal chain that led to this decision. Find the 5 most similar past decisions before making a new one. Analyze what downstream work a decision affected. Gate decisions against policy rules automatically. Your agent's judgment stops being vibes in a context window and becomes an institutional memory. About that 6000x. These numbers come from the version 0.5.0 optimization pass, measured on a real 118,000 node production graph. Node search went from 24 milliseconds to 4 microseconds per lookup. That's the headline figure, and it's the difference between graph queries being a batch job and being something you do in line on every agent turn. Semantic deduplication got nearly 7x faster, and candidate generation dropped by almost 2/3 with a blocking strategy. The methodology is documented in the repo, so you can rerun it against your own graph. The fairest way to frame Semantica is against the default stack. Vector-only reg is fantastic at fuzzy recall and trivially easy to set up. Nothing here changes that, and Semantica keeps a vector store in the loop for similarity search. But vector-only systems have no notion of contradiction, no timeline, and no decision history. The context graph approach costs you a pipeline and an ontology, and buys you queryable structure. Which facts conflict? What was true in March? Which precedent applies? And who told us so? For a chatbot, that's overkill. For a loan underwriter or a clinical support system, it's table stakes. The use cases the project leads with make the line obvious: anti-money laundering compliance, drug interaction detection, contract analysis with evidence, fraud decisions that need justification, incident response timelines. Every one of them is a domain where the answer matters less than the ability to defend it. And here's the payoff I promised: the audit file. Semantica's provenance layer implements the W3C prov-o standard, the same vocabulary regulators and data governance teams already understand. Every entity in the graph traces back to a source document, an extractor, and a timestamp. One export call produces a turtle RDF file you can hand to an auditor, not a slide deck about your AI's behavior, but a machine-readable record of it. The README states the philosophy in one line. Getting started is standard Python. Pip install Semantica for the core, or the all extra for the full suite. The built-in doctor command checks your Python version, build, vector store, and config in one shot. Nice touch for a young project. And Semantica Explorer launches a browser-based workbench, a live force-directed view of your graph, a timeline scrubber that replays how facts arrived, causal chain browsing for decisions, and a SheCL Studio for authoring ontology constraints. 17 command groups cover everything from ingestion to export, so most of the pipeline runs without writing Python at all. The snapshot: nearly 3,900 stars, 455 forks, MIT licensed, pure Python, and shipping fast. The deeper signal is where agent infrastructure is heading. Memory layers were the first wave. Accountability layers are next, because the moment agents touch lending, medicine, or government workflows, explainability stops being a feature request and becomes the permit to operate. Semantica is betting that the audit trail belongs in the infrastructure, not bolted on afterward. If your agents make decisions that matter, this repo is worth an afternoon. The repo and Get Semantica.ai are linked in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for weekly deep dives on AI tools and agent infrastructure. See you in the next one.